Okay.
Okay, good morning.
Right, I didn't wait, Chad.
Yep. We are live.
All right.
Okay, mini project 7. Have you guys done it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Done.
Yeah, you guys are always way on top of things. I've started a little bit, watched the video, but that's about it.
Good shot.
Yeah, we were both saying we were a little surprised that it's being built up as a really tough one. We didn't find it that tough.
Yeah, I didn't find it that difficult at all. Just you need to work through it. I won't want to say time consuming, but it took about an hour.
Yeah, it's not easy or simple, but it's not hard.
No.
So as you look through it, are you seeing any rough spots out ahead, Chad?
No, like say I only watched the video once last night, and I deleted the first set of that first graph. That's as far as I made it, as I just deleted that, and then I watched the rest of it. But I think it will be just fine. I don't know. I always run into problems where I get confused, but I really think it'll be okay.
Yeah, I think it's just principles that we've learned so far. I mean, you do have to use both H lookups and V lookups, like it says in the video.
Mm-hmm.
And I think he pretty much gave a good layout of create your data sets off to the side, and so that you can then use them to create your graphs with. So, I mean, other than that, I really didn't find it. I didn't find it difficult at all, as long as you followed kind of his advice and the little hints that they gave in the sheet. I didn't find it difficult.
No. And I just created all my stuff as I went, all the different charts that they wanted, all the different tables, and then it was just easy to figure out which ones they wanted us to make graphs from, and then moved all my calculations and made the graphs look better. But if you just kind of work through it as they tell you to, I don't know, it just made sense.
Good morning.
Good morning, Alyssa.
Alyssa, have you started Project 7 yet?
Wonder if she has her audio muted.
Give her a minute to figure it out. Okay.
Come on. Unmute.
There you go. Now you're
There
up.
you are. Oh, and you muted again.
Now you turn it back off. Yeah, there you go.
Maybe, Alyssa?
Hey, Chad, did you accidentally mute her?
Well,
The title that you did.
Yeah, I muted her just to see if I could do it as the host, but then I unmuted her again.
Oh, okay, I didn't.
See, and then I did it again, and
Okay.
and then it lets me undo it. But I can do that with each of you.
It might take it a little bit to take effect, so.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
There it is.
Yes. So, Alyssa, have you started it? Or where are you in the process? Or maybe you're gone again.
Yeah.
You have started it then? Are you finding anything difficult with it so far? Or?
One thing I did notice at the end, just to be aware, is to reread the directions a little bit. On the pie chart for number 2, they want a dollar amount shown, and that doesn't automatically appear. So you really do need to work with the charts and make sure that whatever they're asking for is shown. Just as a little tip. Because it's pretty specific what they ask for. On most of them. Some of them they let it, you decide.
Okay.
Like Alyssa left. She's probably trying to rejoin again. There you go. You're back.
We can at least see you.
Yeah. I just
And now
woke
hear
up.
you. Yeah.
Okay. I'm sorry.
It's working now.
I hope. Okay, so yes, I have started Project 7.
But not finished with it yet, or close to it?
Yeah, no, not finished. I figured I would want to be with you guys.
Okay. Any problems you're running into?
Let's see what step they said. So they want us to make the list of the first 3 years, and then on step 2 it says, step 3. So did the pie chart. It says to show the 5-year history, and I wasn't sure how to. If it wants, I guess I wasn't sure how to get that started. Select yours coming back.
So you
To
need
set
to
it
build a
up?
table that ends with your selected year and has the 4 years before it, and then has whatever information you need, the different items for that, for those years.
So the list for that was to create some type of chart. I forgot the list.
Yeah. As they explained in the video here, I can just show. Let me show you how I did that. So, application window. Here we go. So, I did it on the financial statement sheet as explained, and so the 5-year of mine is right here, and you start off pulling your year from your first sheet, and then just use your formula backing it up, as Lucy just said. Back it up, and then use your HLOOKUPs to pull your information out of your chart, and then create your graph with it. So it'll show from 2015 back, since that's what I have selected, or if you go back to 14, it'll pull it 14 back to 2010. So
Okay.
so basically you're just creating a chart off to the side, or not a chart, a spreadsheet off to the side that it summarizes your information. So like this one, my pie chart, then I use this for my line graph, and then this for my graph as a percentage of sales. And this is where I summarize my information from it and then fold it over.
Okay. All right. That's kind of where I was. All right. No, that makes sense.
So it was pretty simple. Wasn't I mean, just uses the techniques that we've been taught so far. So I didn't, and I'm not a spreadsheet person, so I've never done it before. We did it here in the class. So
Yeah. All right.
Okay. Anything else?
yeah.
Not at the
Okay.
moment. I can always, obviously, if I run into anything.
You guys have questions, just use the Hangout chat to dump them in. We can help you out as much as we can. Sometimes when you guys dump them in, I'm driving, so Lucy beats me to it.
Yeah, or I'm busy and somebody else does. So, you know, we just all pitch in.
Yeah. Well, we have till
Awesome.
tomorrow. It's due tomorrow. So,
Yep.
Yeah.
okay. All right. Well, thanks, guys. Thanks for being available.
All right, and just remember
Okay.
once you post or pull your recording of it, post it so everyone can pull it off, and
Yep, I
remember
will.
to attach it to your submission of your file.
Yep,
The link.
that is
Okay,
correct.
thanks, everybody.
All right. Good morning.
All right. Thank you.
All right.